Welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, today we are tracing letter A to E and also coloring A to E, and we have 10 numbers, so we are also tracing them. We have these colors: orange color, dark blue color and light green color. So let's start. First of all, we are taking orange color, and this is orange color. A for apple. Then B for ball, and B for banana. Have you eaten banana? C for car. D for door. Then E for egg. And now we will just change the color to light green, and we will again write down here A is for apple. This is light green color. B for ball, and B for banana. C for car. D for door. D for door. E for elephant, and E for egg. Now we will use the sky blue color, that is dark blue. Now we will use dark blue color and we will color A. This is A. Then B. The more you practice, the more you will learn. C. And then this is dark blue color. D. And the last letter is E. E for elephant. Have you seen an elephant in the zoo? And now we will do the number tracing. So we have 10 numbers. Again, we are taking this orange color. This is 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. And this one is number 5. This one is number 6. 7. And then 8. Number 8. And this is number 9. And the last number is number 10. So I hope you have also done the same practice. Let us repeat. A, B, C, D, E. Again, A, B, C, D, E. This is orange color, this is light green color, and this one is dark blue color. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you like it and you enjoy the video. So subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.